Hey everyone, welcome to PressTube. Now, a lot of you guys will remember this video. It was shot 1 year ago, and since that video I stored the slime in this box in the freezer, and I got it out yesterday, and yeah, it looks quite good after a year in the freezer. As you can see, it still is a golden slime ball, and yeah, I'm gonna put it in this cup like this, and I'm gonna put on the red hot tungsten ball, and yeah, we're gonna see what happens. Now let's heat up this ball and put it on the slime. Okay guys, see you in one moment.